Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and again, we're going to do some deep bass tests, and this time we'll be doing it with Awei Y333, that's 333, and what are we waiting for? Let's do some extreme bass tests. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Jason Voorhees.
Hunter.
Okay, that was the Awei Y333. Okay, so this is the deep bass test. So I was surprised by the performance of the Awei Y333. And earlier, I think you've seen the deep bass test of the Apollo Supreme Max, which has a bigger speaker, 10 watts times 2. This one is 5 watts times 2. But it took in the deep bass, and I'm very proud of the Awei. I thought it didn't shake as much. It didn't shake like the Apollo Supreme Max, but it took in the deep bass, which is good. It was solid. The highs, the lows, the mids, it was solid. With these songs that we use for the deep bass test. So thumbs up, 5 stars for Away. If you want to buy Away, then buy Away. If you want to buy Apollo Supreme Max, you could do so. So more or less they're a tie when it comes to the deep bass. So it all depends on the cost for you and the specs that you want. So if you want 10 watt speakers, then you go to Max. If you want 5 watt speakers, then you go to Away. But the difference between the two is just like 100 pesos only. So I let you decide as the consumer, as the buyer of these products. So that ends our show for today. This is Charlie Jose saying thank you for watching this episode and see you on the next video and see you on the next product review. Bye-bye! Magpapasalamat lang ako. This product actually was sponsored by Tina Maderaso. She's my social media friend. She's active there in one of the social media platforms. So thank you very much, Tina, for this. And she also sponsored another product for me to test, but she owns this. Okay, so I just borrowed this and I'm gonna return this after the versus video. So again, this is Charlie Jose saying thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye-bye!